This session is related to how to prepare for the interview of IISc Bangalore. Now, many of you have got call from your departments and interdisciplinary departments. Couple of things I'll tell, and then I'll take your questions also. Number one, if you're going to IISc Bangalore, friends, then mathematics, which Tyagi sir is doing, is very, very important, and you need to do that. So revise the mathematics, basic mathematics, which is going to come there in your interview. So that is one thing you have to do. So mathematics part has to be there. And when it comes to data science, those of you who go to data science kind of domains without DA paper, I mean those who have not written DA paper, we only expect mathematics from you in DA paper. Now, what is to be done in mathematics for DA paper? Again, Jitendra Tyagi sir is teaching you for that, and he is going to take the regular snaps also from you. YourPedia, on YourPedia, data science videos are also there. On the folder is there, data science folder. You can watch those also. You can watch mathematics. You can go for mathematics classes with Tyagi sir also. And most important is fix the snap with the Tyagi sir. SNAP means one subject mock. So mathematics for IISc Bangalore, surely you have to do. Make sure you are going to have one SNAP with Tyagi sir for mathematics. And how to take Snap with Tyagi sir is, you have his Zoom session, you have his contact number, you can fix up Snap with Tyagi sir, and he can mentor you for mathematics. So that is number one. And data science also comes into that. Now, second part comes is about interdisciplinary department of Masters of Management. In Masters of Management, friends, there is a group discussion part which is coming. And students, those who have got the call, they are attending the GDs for the last couple of days now. I think we have conducted 5, 6 GDs now so far, and they are attending the GDs. That is to be done. As far as the technical knowledge for Masters of Management is concerned, there is a folder with the name of Nitty Bombay. Nitty may used to be the same kind of questions. So in that folder, there is a lot of information about industrial engineering kind of subjects and management kind of subjects, in which industrial engineering, management, quality management, these things come, and you can prepare that from that particular folder. So you can prepare these things from that particular folder. And if you are from mechanical background, industrial engineering, you should know. If you're from civil engineering background, project management, etc., you should know. And linear programming, operation research is a part of mathematics also. If you're from other branches, even then you should have some knowledge about what is project, what is management, what is engineering, what is, sorry, industrial engineering. Those kind of things you people should be knowing. And small terminologies you people are to revise, you have to know that. Whenever you get a call from any department of IISc Bangalore, you should visit that department to know what can be asked from you, what questions can be asked from you. That department is visiting, or that department is very important. Now, there are certain questions like why you want to join this department, that is HR related questions. For management kind of things, you have to seek your technical snap with me. So at 10:15 p.m. I sit every day 10:15 p.m. on my Zoom only, and then I give the slot to students. So if you are ready with your Masters of Management technical mock or snap or HR, you can seek the slot with me. So what is to be prepared? That is, a folder is there of industrial engineering and management on YourPedia. If you don't get it, you can ask any of the executive of YourPedia. They will guide you. And you have to prepare. You have to go to the website and see, okay, what actually is there in that department. Basic terminology you should know, and then you have to give the snap. So data science के लिए snap किसके साथ देना है? If you're from computer science background, if you have knowledge about the data science, then you can give the Mukesh sir. And if mathematics के लिए you can go for Jitendra Tyagi sir. For management courses, you can go with me. That is how you can give. Otherwise, if you are from particular branch of engineering, then you can go for the respective mentors. Like if you are from civil engineering background and you have got call from IISc Bangalore, then civil engineering snaps you have to give. There are a lot of snaps available also of each branch. You have to do like that. Now the question comes when you are from particular branch of engineering and you have got call from some another branch. So now let me share with you the screen, friends, of IISc Bangalore, just to get an idea how it is to be done. Now let's assume you are from agriculture background and you got call from let's say some department which is a bio engineering department. So you go to various departments of IISc Bangalore. The moment you go to various departments of IISc Bangalore, then you will go to the department from which you have got a call. Let's say you have got a call from department of particular department of bioengineering or biology or genetics department. You have got a call, and how you have to prepare for this particular department. You have got a call from this department, how you have to prepare. Then you will go to this department, and then you will read about this department, what is there. So what is biology and genetics, and what is the happening in this particular department, what people are doing in this department, that you will start reading. You will read this particular thing in detail, and you will keep on writing in your copy about this, because they are going to ask you question as agriculture engineer, why you want to join our department. Not only that, in that you will go to, you will go to the people or faculty, and you will see what faculties are doing, what domain they are doing the research. The first question will be what you want to do and why you want to join this particular department. So on the basis of what research they will be doing, on the basis of that, you will be basically comfortable answering that why you want to join that particular department. I give you another example, friends. Let me, I think with the real case I discuss with you. There are interdisciplinary departments. Yeah, I was telling someone from agriculture engineering background student who got call from Department of Bioengineering, not genetics, but bioengineering. Okay, now this is a bioengineering. As agriculture engineer, what I am to do in bioengineering? What should I do in this? I went to this department, and then I started seeing that what is the research work is going on in this department. Let me go to research areas. The moment I went to research area, I found these kind of things are happening. This is something which I am finding. Okay, this is the research area. Now certain things you will start understanding. Okay, then as agriculture engineer, maybe I start working on a biomaterials. So you will start exploring, I mean, what is biomaterial, what they are doing, and you start seeing what professors are doing in particular area. So what biomaterials are all about, and what is the significance of these biomaterials, and how it can eventually help. Those kind of things you start working. And you also started seeing the research facilities, what are there. 3D bioprinting. I got 3D bioprinting. Okay. So 3D bioprinting is something which is related to my domain, 3D bioprinting. When you link it, one more thing, friends, I want to share with you. Suppose I go to this particular thing. Now, maybe I'll share with you another thing. I went to Gemini. That is a Chat GPT, Gemini. These are the some of the artificial intelligence tools which help us to understand couple of things. Now, let's say I write it as agricultural engineer, uh, what are research areas for me in bioengineering. आपने उसको टाइप किया in Gemini or in ChatGPT or any internet, you started looking for it. Agriculture engineer and bioengineering. Okay, I got little bit idea. This is what is happening. I will be talking about this. I will be working in particular bio-based materials, maybe biosensors. I'll be robotics and agriculture engineer. I can be working in particular domain like bioproducts. So, okay, I'm understanding here. So there is something which is called bioengineering, bioenergy or bioproducts. So engineering efficient microbial systems do exist for converting the agriculture waste, which we called waste to wealth concept, into biofuels. Okay, so as agriculture engineer, I want to join bioengineering department because, sir, I would like to work in bioenergy domain. What is the meaning of that? Sir, as agriculture engineer, I know there's a agriculture waste like crop residue and all. So suppose I start converting this agriculture waste into biofuels like ethanol and biogas, that will be good, contribution. And I've also heard, sir, there is something which is called biorefineries. Now, the moment you say this, you need to prepare on these lines what you understand by bioengineering, biorefineries, bioenergy, and then you have to prepare yourself accordingly. So, what friends you have to do is whatever department you have got call from, you need to go to that department, you need to get some idea from that department like bioprinting. So I went to bioengineering department and I realized there is something which is called bioprinting. No, I let me try to understand. As agriculture engineer, how can I use bioprinting for me? So let's see, bioprinting, that is something which is mentioned in the in the website, bioprinting. So what is the meaning of bioprinting? So bioprinting has a lot of potential for the field of agriculture engineering. How? Okay, plant micropropagation. Bioprinting could be used to create scaffold with specific structure and nutrient. The person who is sitting here as agriculture engineer will understand that some meaningful things are coming up here when I am making my search more optimized. When I'm doing the search, which is called optimum search, then more things are coming and I will be in position to justify that. So friends, what you have to do is, if you want to convert your call into selection, number one, you need to go to that particular department first. Number two, the moment you go to that department, you need to ask yourself, okay, what is there for me in this particular department? What can I get in this department for me? And then you need to make a linkages of that. There are so many departments. If I can share with you now, in my opinion, there are so many departments in IISc Bangalore where people have got the call from, and like people have got the call from interdisciplinary departments, which many of them are saying, "Sir, we have no knowledge about this department." But friends, you will get the knowledge if you go. Like, okay, now many students have got the call from. This department of I think center, not this, yeah, Department of Advanced Mechanics. These are very simple departments. Somebody was telling me that he has got interdisciplinary sciences. May let me see what are the departments here, friends. Okay, so you have got call from now. Yeah, this one is bioengineering. We have done that. Data science, management studies already knowing to you. Okay, let me go to management studies. So suppose I say management studies में सर क्या करना है, मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज में मैं क्या करूंगा, how I'm to prepare and all. So you go to management study and see what professors are working, in which field they are working. From there you will get some idea. I mean, a professor who are different professor, they are working in different area. Let's see what this Sakshi Jain, who is the associate professor guy, is doing, which area is working. So computational finance, Monte Carlo method of derivative financial. He is totally into finance. And I'm sure if you have not filled in the finance, you will not be interested in him. So you go to some another professor who is into operations or something, then you start looking for that. And you get, okay, then I'll find a professor for me who is related to my domain. So slowly you start doing the research and you'll find that there are different professors who are working in different area. Let's say I go to this professor and I start looking for his area, what he is doing. Energy and environment policies is working, global climate change is working. Now, you understand that when you go for interview, friends, these guys are talking about the global climate change, sustainability. And the interview, when you go to the interview, he's going to ask you, have you heard the name of Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs? What do you mean by sustainable development? What do you understand by that? What do you mean by, green energy? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by sustainability? So these kind of things, sustainability, sustainable development goal, technology management. So these are the terminologies you get from here. Now this guy, he's a mechanical engineer and who has done after that, a PhD in the field of energy or something. So you will get some idea from him. I mean, these people are working in this area. Similarly, you can go to some another faculties and you will find that, okay, they have different area for them. Let's say Chiranjit, Professor Chiranjit, what area is working? Okay, he's saying he's a master's and he's working in this particular field, empirical finance, the economy. So if you are not from the economy, as I told you, you are not to fill the economy, your knowledge may be less in economy. So you can go for some another professor and try to see which domain they are working and what is your field, is it matching with them or not. ये डिमांड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्केर्स रिसोर्सेज से बात हो गया. अब यहाँ से इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन इज, friends, do you know what is the meaning of the resources? How many kind of resources are there? So again, you will start discussing about that. And when you dig further, you will find more things related to his domain. why you want to join this particular department. So that kind of questions will be asked. So visiting friends a particular department and visiting particular area is very very important. From there you will get an idea. Similarly, interdisciplinary, if you have cyber physical system, you have got a call, go to that department and try to see what these people are doing. Your own subject knowledge is most important. Knowledge of mathematics is most important. Knowledge of data science के लिए mathematics is most important. नॉलेज फॉर मैनेजमेंट के लिए आपको मैनेजमेंट के थोड़े से टॉपिक्स विच ऑलरेडी फोल्डर इज प्रोवाइडेड टू यू, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. अदर देन दैट देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन except going to the department and seeing what is happening in that particular department and what you can prepare in that department. Other than, for mechanical engineer and other engineering departments, it's everything is same. No, somebody has got call from, earth science. Sir, I have got a call from earth science. Now, how should I start preparing for other earth science? Friend, go to the website of earth science and start seeing what people are doing here. I mean, what is going on in this particular field, in this particular department, how people are preparing. Certain terminology you should know. That's it. Rest you don't need much information. Certain terminologies should be known to you. I mean, what these people are doing, those terminologies should be known to you, and the rest is your own engineering domain, whatever you are doing. Now, if I go to people and faculty and research, again, I'm going to get the same thing from where I'm to prepare. The moment you start seeing in which domain they are doing the research, you are finding that okay, they are into mass transport, they are into ground pollution, they are into pollution, so they are into, Earth's interior. Last year, there was a question asked from Earth's interior. Can you tell me like how the Earth entire interior is divided into which layers? So which metal is there largely in the interior of Earth? So what is the temperature at the core of Earth? So what is the main reason of magnetic, magnetic Earth, magnetic poles, magnetic attraction by the Earth? So, okay, can you tell me the scales on which earthquake is measured? What do you mean by seismic scale? Is the what scale is this? So, and what kind of waves do we have? These seismic waves are what kind of waves? So, earthquake, then Earth's interior is talking about. Then he's talking about the imaging. Then he's talking about the ground pollution, anthropogenic impact on the environment. So the moment you write anthropogenic impact on the environment, the moment you do that, so anthropogenic impact, the moment I type that in internet, so I will get anthropogenic, uh, then I get a lot of information about that impact on environment. You have to see basically each uh, term which is mentioned there, and you need to find out what is that term all about. So let me tell you now, share with you. I found something related to anthropogenic impact on environment when I went to earth science. Then I realized, okay, now this is something human activity is known as anthropogenic impact. What do you understand by anthropogenic impact? So you say, okay, this is a human impact. Okay, can you tell me like what are the human impact on Earth ecosystem? How the human being is impacting the Earth ecosystem? Okay, sir, pollution is there, climate change is there, habitat is destructed, and over exploitation of the resources there. There are some invasive species. Impact of on anthropogenic activities. This biodiversity. What do you understand by biodiversity? So do you know what is biodiversity all about? Okay, can you tell me what is the main reason of wildfires? Have you heard a lot of wildfires are there? What is the main reason of that? Okay, you are a mechanical engineer. Which subject you have prepared? Fluid mechanics I have prepared. Okay, let me talk about fluid mechanics then. So friends, this is how you are to prepare for your call. Now, whatever department you are from, your own engineering knowledge you should have. Knowledge of the department where you are going to, you should have. You have to open the department, see what these guys are doing, find the catchword and keep writing in your copy those important terminologies, revise it. Why at the first place as computer engineer you want to join earth science? The answer will come only by seeing what professors are doing there, and then you start preparing on those terminologies. Please keep writing in your copy a lot, and you write a lot and prepare a lot. Accordingly you will be in position to do it. Friends, if you want to pass the interview of IISc, you need to put effort. And where you need to put effort, that I've suggested you: mathematics, your own subject, why you want to join that particular department, visit that department, write a rod, write couple of answers and go for snaps. That is how it is to be done. Now, any specific question you want to ask me?
सर आईआईएससी में मास्टर्स इन मैनेजमेंट में सर वो सिविल से भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं क्या, क्योंकि मेरा सिविल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड है तो।
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे, प्रोजेक्ट से क्या समझते हो, मेगा प्रोजेक्ट क्या होता है, कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट किसको बोलते हैं, पर्ट सीपीएम के बारे में सुना है, और नेटवर्क टूल्स टेक्निक्स में आती हैं, कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स की टिपिकल प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है इंडिया के अंदर, आप कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट करके कहाँ पे इम्पैक्ट डाल सकते हो, कौन कौन से रिसोर्सेज होते हैं, पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन सेक्टर में क्या होते हैं, कौन से ऐसे लॉज हैं जो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर को प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं, ये सारे क्वेश्चन है सिविल इंजीनियर से.
ओके सर।
एंड यू विल फाइंड दिस क्वेश्चंस व्हेन द मोमेंट यू गो टू द साइट, यू विल फाइंड कि ओके ये चीज हो रहा है, और यही क्वेश्चन वहां पे आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू हैव स्टडीड इन योर इंजीनियरिंग, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग.
Sir, I was not able to attend the IIT कानपुर session yesterday. So sir, वो अगली बार अब कब हो सकता है?
एंड गेट आई प्रोवाइड यू द इंफॉर्मेशन इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, राइट? आज कर
ओके सर,
लेंगे.
ठीक है
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स?
Sir,
सर.
my doubt is regarding smart manufacturing course. Since it comes under the design and manufacturing department under mechanical, I received a mail which says that I am required to appear for design aptitude test also along with interview. So there is this design aptitude test also for this course, sir, smart
Yeah,
manufacturing.
nothing like, they will give you a diagram, they will, if you make the diagram of this, imagine it and make the diagram on your page or something, basic
Okay.
things. Can you design something or
Understanding
not?
of spatial configurations and all
Yeah,
that
yeah,
those
something like that.
kinds of.
Something
Okay.
like that.
Okay, sir. Nothing specific, right? I don't have to
Okay.
go for anything.
Nothing specific. I told you mathematics, your own branch of engineering, and
Okay.
visit that department. More you visit that department, you see, you will understand everything.
Okay.
Friends, if you visit the department for 3 hours with pen and paper and write 10 pages, nobody can stop you from passing the interview. Listen my point carefully. Whatever department you have got the interview call from, sit in front of that department website with pen and paper and write 10 pages after understanding what you are saying. Nobody can stop you from selection then. But the point is, you never visit the department, you never write anything, you have no idea when you go there. He asks you why you want to join, you have no idea because you've never done that particular thing, and then he will not take you, right?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
I'll work on it,
sir,
sir.
one more doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, you told to prepare mathematics now, sir. So is it enough to prepare engineering mathematics up to in BTech level, or we have to prepare what we have prepared in intermediate 11th and 12th?
See, I think Tyagi sir is regularly taking classes and he's the right person and he has conducted the session also for that. So I think he's the right person to guide you how to prepare mathematics for IISc interview. Mathematics, obviously, engineering mathematics is more than sufficient. Maybe he will tell you to prepare little lesser than that. Approach may be different.
सर आईआईएससी में मास्टर्स इन मैनेजमेंट के लिए सर इकोनॉमिक्स एंड फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ सकते हैं क्या, ये भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा?
अगर आपने वहां पे वैसा लिखा होगा, उससे रिलेटेड भरा होगा, उसमें कोई चॉइस दी थी आपने? उसमें
नो
तो कोई
सर,
चॉइस
उसमें
नहीं
तो
दी
ऐसा
था.
कुछ चॉइस नहीं होती।
हाँ ठीक है, तो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. इवन इफ यू डोंट नो
क्योंकि सर
दैट, इट्स
मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड वो कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि बेसिक मतलब जो मैनेजमेंट का बैकग्राउंड
बेसिक
होता है।
चीज. बेसिक चीजें ऑब्वियसली इज, मैंने वो वेबसाइट पे जाओगे तो आपको थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा कि वो होता क्या है, फाइनेंशियल टर्म्स क्या, टर्मिनोलॉजीज आपको थोड़ी सी देखनी पड़ेंगी उसकी.
ठीक है सर।
Sir, I just got a call from IIT Madras for MS course in metallurgy and material. और सर उसको रिटन का और इंटरव्यू का कॉल आया है एक. तो सर जो इसके रिटन टेस्ट की मैं तैयारी करूंगा उसमें मटेरियल साइंस पे फोकस करना है या सारे सब्जेक्ट्स ही पूछे जाएंगे?
नहीं देखो, मटेरियल साइंस में से ही क्वेश्चन आएगा और सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में से नहीं आता है, बिकॉज डिपार्टमेंट इन
अच्छा,
मटेरियल साइंस, दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू फ्रॉम मटेरियल साइंस ओनली.
मैथमेटिक्स भी नहीं होगा सर?
मैथमेटिक्स तो आ सकता है, मैथमेटिक्स तो पढ़ के जाना आप. मैथमेटिक्स
अच्छा,
एप्टीट्यूड वो पूछ सकते हैं, राइट? वो तो आप
अच्छा,
पढ़ के जाना,
मटेरियल साइंस.
लेकिन बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं आएगा आपको, मटेरियल साइंस में
अच्छा,
से आएगा क्वेश्चन.
ठीक है सर, तो सर मैं मटेरियल साइंस पे फोकस करूंगा मैं.
राइट, राइट.
Sir, in bioengineering, can they ask from the biology question also?
बायो इंजीनियरिंग नहीं, मैंने आपको बताया ना कहाँ से वो पूछ सकता है। अगर आप बायोलॉजी के नहीं है तो बायोलॉजी से नहीं पूछेगा, बाकी टर्मिनोलॉजीज पूछेगा।
ओके
आप वही बायो इंजीनियरिंग में जाओ और उसको पढ़ो, व्हाट इज बायो मटेरियल, व्हाट इज बायो सेंसर, व्हाट इज दिस, वो पूछेगा ना। बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजी तो पता होनी चाहिए ना आप।
yes sir, actually I am from mechanical background, so
बायो मैकेनिक्स,
biomaterials
बायो
and
मटेरियल्स,
yeah,
obviously,
3D printing also.
yes.
Yes,
There are so many professors from mechanical in bio engineering department.
yes sir. And any dress code is compulsory?
That's not required, but to be informal, that's the best part.
Yes sir, okay, thank you.
Any other question, friends?
सर ये सर मास्टर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट के लिए सर मेरा 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस भी है सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में, तो जॉब एक्सपीरियंस में कितना डीप तक जा सकते हो वो?
जाएगा तो अच्छा है तुम्हारे लिए, it is good for you. You can go in deep also, but depends upon how you are answering. If you are not answering well, you will not go in deep.
ओके। और सर प्रोजेक्ट में आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ सर मैं बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट में, तो वो अच्छे से करूँ या फिर उसको रहने दो अभी?
Obviously, my answer will be अच्छे से करो.
ओके
Because project if he ask you, then you should answer properly. If you can do, you should do अच्छे से,
ओके सर।
right? Anything else, friends?
Hello, sir. Harshvardhan here.
Yeah.
Sir, I got the call from IISc about mechanical engineering as well as mobility department. So I attended their session, which was arranged by mechanical engineering department. So they told they'll conduct a common interview for both mechanical as well as mobility. So they want to. So I wanted to know that which department should we focus on, because
Both, because the same mechanical
because
engineering आपका background है.
similar question was asked to them. So they answered that we don't answer anything specific, but of the level of your GATE exam and some 12th and 11th mathematics.
Friends, they will only take the best people, and the best are those who work hard and go. Mechanical engineering, you prepare that, and then you go to other mobility and go to the department and jot down the things. Little bit they will ask, you will answer, your friend will not answer. They will take you and not your friend. That's it. So obviously they don't expect much, but they expect that you should come out of interest. You should have done some
Okay.
basic analysis. As a professor, I would like that you should know about my department. You should have seen my website. You should have seen what we are doing. That's it. I don't expect detail from you, right?
Okay, sir.
No specific preparation except your own branch. Plus about the department which you go. I told
Okay,
you
sir.
how it is to be done. Prepare. Please start doing it. Open Gemini on one side, open department on another side, keep copy with you. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, what is the meaning of this? एक दो दिन मेहनत करो अच्छे तरीके से, हो जाएगा. Not a far cry.
Okay, sir. Noted.
आसान है भाई, बहुत आसान है. आप इसको अच्छे तरीके से कर लो. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट. पहले दिमाग से निकालो इट इज डिफिकल्ट. और दूसरी चीज, एफर्ट करना स्टार्ट करो, मेहनत करना स्टार्ट करो. स्टार्ट पुटिंग एफर्ट. Take copy, pen. See, as a teacher, I can only tell you what is the best way to prepare. And believe me that I'm telling you is the best way. Now, please start putting effort that only you can do. I cannot do for you. And that hard work which you will do, that will only make you, get selected. Because that will get reflected there. So start doing it. Right, friends? For any other question, any other problem, any other query, if you guys have, you can meet me. So 10:15 p.m. I have a session where I give slot for next day for the snap or mock. If you are well prepared, come to me and I will take your snap. Similarly, every mentor is going to take snap with you, but you prepare well and then take a snap. GDs तो चल रहा है आपका, ग्रुप डिस्कशन बच्चे कर रहे हैं, कहीं नहीं कर रहे हैं. GDs करते रहो मास्टर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट के लिए, और मेरे साथ HR टेक्निकल भी लगाओ. यू आर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, यू आर एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियर, वट एवर यू आर, you're going for master of management, come for walk with me 10:15 p.m. And similarly, for other things also. So start doing it. Any other question you have, or I sign it out now, friends? ये मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया है, इसको अभी अपलोड कर दूंगा, तो अगर आपका छूट गया हो तो आप उसे सुन लेना ध्यान से. अभी काम करना स्टार्ट करो एंड स्टार्ट पुटिंग एफर्ट.
Yes, sir. I have one question, sir.
हाँ मित.
सर मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट से कॉल आया सर आईआईएससी का सर, तो उसमें मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी सब्जेक्ट सर क्या प्रिपेयर करके जाना
देखो,
चाहिए?
जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है सब्जेक्ट, उसकी तैयारी करो।
सर मींस एक से तो ज़्यादा ही करना है ना?
ऑब्वियसली, अगर बेसिक
यस
कोर है तुम्हारा, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, हीट ट्रांसफर, ये तो आने चाहिए ना तुम्हें, और मैथमेटिक्स आना चाहिए तुम्हें,
सर। यस सर।
आना चाहिए, राइट? सो प्रिपेयर इट वेल।
ओके सर।